Hello, everybody. Oh, I got the echo. Hello? 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 Hello, everybody. Oh, hang on a minute. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. John Buckle from John Buckle Family and Friends. John, back to action now. Got everything set up properly. Hello, everybody. It's going to be a little podcast right now. My missus is going to her Uncle Josh's at the moment. Don't know when she'll be back, so I'll be on my own for a little while. She may not see her, well, you won't see her until she gets back home. But until then, I am here, and I will be doing videos for you. Don't know what I'll be doing yet, but whatever I do is what I do. I've still uploading some past videos. I'll try my best to get the videos I can and still keep what I can going for you. So, for now, it's a peace for you all. Bye, bye, and that little podcast. Bye-bye.